Hi viewers, welcome back to the Wonderland. This film brings you on a virtual tour of the highest bridge in Asia, the Chicham Bridge, Lahaul Spiti. India's Spiti Valley is home to wonders that make for a lifetime's experience. While most of those wonders are quite popular in the tourism circuit, there is a secret that not many know about. Yes, it is home to Chicham Bridge, the highest bridge in Asia, and quite an astounding spectacle at that. The bridge is at a staggering height of 13,596 feet and connects the two villages named Chicham and Kibba. Look down this one and you will find yourself gaping below at a 1,000 feet deep gorge. The gorge below is known by the name of Samba Lamba Nala. The making of this bridge cuts down the journey from Kibba to Lausa by 40 kilometers. Chicham Bridge was constructed over a course of 15 years and was inaugurated in 2017. It costed a whopping INR 485.50 lakhs to get the bridge constructed. It has recently become quite a rage with the travelers, a number of them taking videos and photos of the phenomenon. Instagram, of course, is brimming over with awe-inspiring visuals from the bridge. Travelers can also move towards the Chandratal Lake after crossing the bridge, another wonder that lies in the folds of the Himalayas here. You can also explore the surrounding region that comprises of Kaza, Komik, Langza, Danka, Tabo and Nako. Those keen to explore more can also head to the Mud Village. I would request you. Chicham Bridge is located in the Himalaya mountains in the northeastern part of the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. The Chicham Bridge is said to be the world's highest bridge from sea level at 4,037 m, 13,244 feet. It's one of the most spectacular bridges in the world. Prior to the completion of the Chicham Bridge, it was a 2 to 3 hour journey to reach Kibba. At the crossing, there was a ropeway where brave locals would winch themselves across the gorge. The ropeway assisted in the construction of the road bridge. The region around Kibba and the Great Spiti River Valley is popular among Indian tourists who are willing to venture off the beaten path and do not mind spending several days on bumpy dirt roads to see this unusually high one-lane road bridge. The region has several hotels, monasteries, cottages and camps that offer overnight accommodations. Please subscribe the channel and I will bring more wonders here for your virtual tour. Thank you all.